Welcome to the PluTech channel. Today we have a topic to discuss about Reflection70B's new open-source AI leader being accused of fraud. Don't miss the chance to join us and share your opinions with us. It took just one weekend for the new, self-proclaimed king of open-source AI models to see its crown tarnished. Reflection70B, a version of Meta's Llama 3.1 large language model, LLM, or is it a variant of the older Llama 3? Was trained and released by New York-based startup Hyperwrite, formerly known as Otherside AI. Since its release, the model has boasted impressive benchmarks and excelled in third-party tests. But it quickly came under fire after other testers failed to replicate some of the performance metrics attributed to it. The triumphant announcement of the model was made by Matt Shummer, co-founder and CEO of Hyperwrite AI, in a post on the social network X on September 6, 2024, where he proclaimed that Reflection70B was the best open-source model in the world. In a series of subsequent posts, Shummer detailed the model's training process and discussed its use of the reflection tuning technique, which allows LLMs to check the accuracy of their own answers before sending them to users. This approach was intended to improve accuracy on tasks as diverse as writing and math, presenting Reflection70B as a revolution in its field. However, a day after the announcement, on September 7, Artificial Analysis, an organization dedicated to the independent evaluation of AI models, released its analysis on X. The organization reported that its evaluation of Reflection70B's MMLU, Massive Multitask Language Understanding, score resulted in a score that was the same as that of Llama 370B and significantly lower than that of Meta's Llama 3.170B. This discrepancy raised serious doubts about the accuracy of the results released by Shummer and Hyperwrite, calling into question the credibility of the model so soon after its release. That same day, Shummer defended himself, claiming that the Reflection70B weights, which are the open-source model settings, were screwed up during the upload process to Hugging Face, the third-party AI repository. He suggested that this could explain the lower performance compared to Hyperwrite's internal API version. The next day, September 8, Artificial Analysis posted that they had gained access to a private API, where they observed impressive performance, but not at the level of Shummer's initial claims. The organization said it was waiting for the model weights to be released on Hugging Face so that further testing and comparisons could be conducted. Meanwhile, the machine learning and AI community on Reddit also began to question the performance claims and origins of Reflection70B. Some analyses, including a model comparison on GitHub, indicated that Reflection70B appeared to be a variant of Llama 3 rather than an update to version 3.1, which increased suspicions about the veracity of the claims made by Shummer and his team. This wave of skepticism culminated in an outright accusation of fraud in the AI research community by ex-user Shin Megami Boson, who presented evidence to support his claim. While many criticized the model's legitimacy, some users came to Shummer's and Reflection70B's defense, reporting positive experiences with the model's performance. This polarization between advocates and critics highlighted how the AI hype cycle can quickly turn into a meltdown when doubts arise about performance claims. For 48 hours, the community anxiously awaited a response from Shummer and an update on the model's weights on Hugging Face. Finally, on the evening of September 10, the CEO addressed the crisis, but without providing corrected weights. Shummer also referenced a post by Sahil Chaudhary, founder of Glaive AI, which had previously been mentioned as the platform used to generate synthetic data for training Reflection70B. Interestingly, Chaudhary's post acknowledged that some of the responses from Reflection70B that indicated it was a variant of Anthropic's Claude remained a mystery to him. He also admitted that the benchmark scores he shared with Shummer were not reproducible at that point, underscoring the uncertainty surrounding the model and its effectiveness in the competitive AI landscape. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Your interactions mean a lot to us and help us grow. See you next time.